Hello, my name is Johnny. Today there is no air resistance, so I've decided I'm going to try to jump my car a distance of 20 meters. But to be sure I'll make the jump, I'll have to do some calculations. I've set my ramp at a 45-degree angle since I know that gives me the furthest distance. Now I just need to know the speed I need to be traveling at the point I fly off the ramp. To find the speed I need to be traveling at to clear the distance, I use this formula. Velocity is equal to the root of range times gravity divided by sinus 2 times 45. Or V equals root of 20 times 10 divided by sinus 2 times 45 equals 14 meters per second. Now I can figure out the original speed in both x and y directions. Velocity in speed direction is 14 times cosinus times 45 equals 9.9 meters per second. Velocity in y direction is 14 times sinus 45 equals 9.9 meters per second. To know how much time I spent in the air, I use this formula. Velocity in y direction times 2 divided by gravity, or 2 times 9.9 divided by 10 equals 1.98 seconds. Figuring out the height I reached in mid-air is easy. I simply find the square of 9.9 and divide that number with 2 times g, or 9.9 squared divided by 2 times 10 equals 4.9 meters. So, if I'm traveling at a speed of 14 meters per second when I leave the ramp of 45-degree angle, I will reach a total height of 4.9 meters. I will spend 1.98 seconds in air and I will fly a total distance of 20 meters. So okay, let's do this.